Hi guys. Today I want to do a review of one of the newest websites that I found related to biology and biochemistry that I'm actually pretty excited about. So I found this method's website called SciGine, and it claims to be a biology and biochemistry methods website. And the idea here is I find it to be a pain to search through PubMed for methods whenever I'm trying to do something new, like a Western blot for a particular protein, or maybe an IP pull down. But having a website like this, which does methods search, sounds like it could be pretty useful for science. So I wanted to go through this and show you what I thought. So here SciGen says, let's just try a phosphor earth Western blot. As per their example. And it looks like comes up with quite a few responses there. 135 total results. That's pretty great. That's pretty specific Western blot there. How does it look? Protein lysase for collected for Western blot. Is this page? Is there ERK on the page? Oh wow, that's actually pretty great. So they did a phosphor ERK Western blot, 1 to 5,000 primary antibody, and then they also had secondary antibodies. Just kind of found exactly what I was looking for. James K. Prue, original article publisher, and it's got references and the original paper here. That's pretty great. So the search engine seems to work just fine. It gave me 135 results for a very particular Western blot. And I went ahead and signed up on the site because I liked it so much, because they also had these other functions. So it says here, you can edit and save methods to make them easier to read and access. So this Western blot method that we have right here, I can actually edit here and say, this is my Western blot method. And I can save it. Saves directly to my profile. And if you go there, it takes a bit of a time to load though. It's very weird. I don't know what the heck the website's doing. Maybe it's just such a giant database. But okay, there it is. This is my profile page. I can now edit my username and my email address, change my password, and here are all the different methods that I've been saving. So this latest one that I just saved, this is my Western blot method. That's pretty cool. So I can go to the site, find a new method, and before I try it for the first time, I can go through the method, I can add my own notes, I can say I'm going to perform this method on 4/28/16, and this first test I'm going to follow it exactly. So the way I've been using it is to have this as my online lab notebook. I just save edits and I'll just use the same method over and over, tweaking just parts of it, saving them to my profile. It's saved. I can also make it private. So here it says private methods are not searchable by anyone else. If I'm coming up with something new, then it's pretty great to just have it private so that no one else really scoops me on my research. And then the other thing I've been using it for is actually sharing it with friends. So if I've got a friend who I want to send my personal method to that I did on 4/28/16, I can actually do that right here. That's kind of what I've been using it for so far. They also have some pretty great advanced search options, so you can do and or not searches, you can group queries, you can do searching for a phrase, and overall it's been getting me some very nice results, making my method searching a lot faster instead of doing something like a PubMed search where even here they outline it. PubMed does a search for entire research articles, so they only do the abstract and the title. But who the heck cares about the abstract and the title when you're looking for a method? And here, I do a search for a very specific phosphor ERK Western Blot, and I find 135 results. So I'm pretty excited. Hopefully you guys can try it out. I'm now their official fanboy, and hopefully I'm going to convince some of you guys to use it in your research as well. Thanks a lot.